In our previous video, we have seen how to write dictionaries and how key value pair should be enclosed within curly braces. In this video, we will see how to access the values using key and how to update any values using keys. So let's get started. We have a dictionary here and I is of dictionary object. Now if I print I, this will give us complete dictionary. What if I want to access only ball? So to do that, we just have to access using the key. The key for this particular ball is B. So take a square bracket and pass its key to it and run it, and here you see ball. Okay, so now what if you want to access the tuple? So let's see, I is a dictionary. In the tuple or the tuple, pass this key. Okay, save it and hit enter. Here you can see the tuple is displayed on the screen. Also note that the type of the written type of this particular tuple is of object tuple. Let's check the type of this output. Okay, save it, run it. Here you can see it is tuple. So every object in Python is represented either with the object or its data type. If I want to access the dictionary here, I just have to type print I and access this dictionary with the key inner dict. Save it, execute it. Now here you have a dictionary, inner dictionary, as the output in our terminal. So what if even this is a dictionary? What if I want to access the second element, that is 200? So to do that, now this particular I within the bracket, you are accessing the inner dictionary. So how do I access this particular value? To do that, I can take one more square bracket and pass the value that you want to access. Pass the key to the value which you wanted to access. Here in my case, I want to access 200, so I'm passing the value 2 here. So when I hit enter, here I get 200 as the output. So this is it for this video. In the next video, we will see how to manipulate the dictionary, or in other words, how to update the dictionary. Thanks for watching.